What's up, everybody? You ready for Christmas? I am. I am ready to hibernate. I've never looked forward to a Christmas as much as this year. I'm ready. I'm checked out. We watched The Grinch yesterday in my house, me and the kids and the wife. And it was, the DreamWorks one. I liked it. I thought it was good. So let's draw that version of The Grinch. Dr. Seuss was a genius. So, landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with his eyebrows, right? So in the middle, kind of maybe a little bit above my center point, I'm just gonna curve like that. You can do the same on the other side if you want. Start that way. Keep it kind of balanced. So his eyebrows will come out from here. And they're kind of hairy, sort of spiky, angry eyebrows. A bit bumpy. Bumps are optional. You don't have to do it that way. We'll add some little spikes on the end anyway. Got a lot of them. Okay, these little spikes, and then it starts to go back. Okay, do that over here. Just a big grumpy eyebrow. Add your spikes. Doesn't have to be the same. Both sides, they can be different. Hair grows differently. Doesn't go the same way each time. Then his grumpy eyes in under here. So they're like right underneath the eyebrow. So they go this way, down. And then it comes around. Like that. I think there's eyelashes in there, if I'm not mistaken. It's not clear. Because it's very shadowy. I think there is, so I'm gonna give some eyelashes. I think there is eyelashes and maybe an eyelid just there. And then his green envious eye. The green-eyed monster, literally. And then around here, his black pupil. And then I guess we'll do a little bump just across his brow. And his nose is, so it's kind of like a dog snout kind of a thing. So he's got a line that comes down this way. It's kind of hairy and textured and stuff. So we do this over here. Same again, basically. Find your level, about the same level as that one. And then just do this again. And I'll add a few eyelash sections. Then a green iris and pupil. This one kind of covered more on this side. That's okay. That's allowed. You can bring the eyebrow down if you want it to be sort of a bit more balanced, maybe. Then an eyelid line. And then again, this sort of line underneath his eye. It's kind of bags underneath his eye. His nose, kind of like a dog's nose, so it just curves. It's kind of like Sonic the Hedgehog's nose as well. We've drawn many noses. And then curves around the side. We get like a little bump down the middle. So he does, I'm going to draw it, it's not as clear in this version, but he does have that sort of line that comes down the middle of his face, kind of like the middle of his lip. And then he's got that grumpy sort of mouth, right? So, like so. And then we'll give him like some lines just either side of that. And maybe a bottom lip, like a little bit. He has like some details drawn in with the CGI and all. Not drawn in. Well, I guess they do kind of draw it, but it's rendered, you know. And then we have like a rough sort of curve around his snout coming from this sort of eye shape as well, but it's all furry, right? So just little hairy lines are probably best. So no chin to speak of, just like a round face. So starting, say, at the eyebrow, right? We'll just start doing these hairy sort of spikes out. Right, just for this sort of side of his face. And then it starts to go down. And it might get a bit smoother sort of down here maybe. Do the same over on this side. So we'll go out here as well. And then it might start to get like a bit flatter as it just goes down, follows the shape for his cheek, just down in there. You might see like a few little hairs maybe on his chin. Might as well finish off his neck. So just like hairy, sketchy sort of neck and shoulders. Down there. And then we're going to give him the Santa hat. So you could give him like the spiky head if you wanted, but I mean, it's Christmas, isn't it? So let's try and do a Santa hat on him. So say I want it to like, I've seen it like with the eyebrow kind of sticking up. So I like it kind of that way, I think. So we'll just bump Santa hat maybe around like the head here. And I want his eyebrow to stick above it, so I'm going to like jump over the eyebrow and then go down into here. And go this way. I had a picture of his hat. It's like a different, yeah. Okay, so then it kind of just bumps up this way, goes right up to the top of my page. You can go up as high as you want. It could be a flatter hat. It doesn't have to be the exact same as mine. Then there's like that white bauble here, but we get like some folds and stuff just coming across the hat here. So then this comes down that way, and then we get the white bauble. Just a circle basically Kind of make it look fluffy. And boom. I really hope all y'all have a very nice Christmas. I'll be taking some time off, just so you know, about 2 weeks. So, but look, happy Christmas. Thanks for all the support. Hope you have a good one. Happy Christmas and a happy new year. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.